Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the assembly of the Boost Industries KD26. This unique kids desk is built solid and it's designed to grow with your child. So the first step will be to attach the rails for the storage compartment.
You will need 4 screws and 4 washers, and you will also use the Allen key that's included.
So when attaching the rails, just make sure you are putting them on the right side of the desk. The front of the desk has an indentation.
Make sure that the rails slide towards the front of the desk.
I'm going to dry fit the screws before tightening them with the Allen key. You have to put the screw through the washer. Now I will tighten it with the Allen key.
There it is. The rails are attached. Now we will attach the storage compartment. A Phillips screwdriver is required.
These are the screws to attach the storage compartment.
Now I am going to assemble the legs. For this, you will need 4 screws and 4 metal washers. And you will also use the Allen key to tighten the screws.
I just want to point out that the legs are made from solid metal and they come equipped with adjustable feet. Now I'll attach the desktop to the legs. To attach the top, you will need 4 screws and 4 washers and the Allen key. For the final touch, I will attach the included bag hook. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration of how easy it is to adjust the height. Based on your child's height, there's a recommended desk height chart. The desk heights are conveniently marked on the leg.
To adjust the height, step on the feet and pull the desk up.
It's that easy.
Of course, the height adjustable chair is included.
The storage tray is perfect for pencils, crayons, and notebooks.
The KD26 is currently available in blue, pink, and gray. Available online at AVGearshop.com.